Pressboard. If you're watching this video, in all likelihood, by now you have successfully created your campaign, added stories to it, and activated Pressboard analytics. Now, in order to get additional metrics such as total, unique clicks, and a click-through rate % metric on all the hyperlinks within your article page or in any other environment such as newsletter click-throughs or native ads, you'll need to start by visiting the Pressboard links section of each story within your campaign. From there, you'll complete a two-step process, which entails creation of the links, followed by implementation of the converted links. Let's get started. We're going to head over to the Reports tab of our story. When you arrive, you'll scroll down to the Pressboard links section, and you're going to click Add Link. We provide two ways to create these Pressboard links. One is a single link method, which is essentially creating them one by one. But if you have several links that you'd like to measure as part of your campaign, you can choose the CSV bulk upload option. When you choose that option, we do provide some instruction and parameters on what needs to be included in the CSV in order to successfully upload the links. In this example, I'm going to go with the single link method just to show you how it works. So when I choose the single link method, it's asking me for two pieces of information. One, I need to assign a name to this link, and you want to be as appropriate as possible so that it's easy for you to know which links you're looking at in terms of results. The other thing it's asking you for is the actual link destination URL. So for this example, I want to measure how many times anyone has clicked on this hyperlink within the Pressboard links help article. So for the name part, I'm going to choose the actual text that is hyperlinked. In that case, I'm going to choose the name over here. The next thing I want is the actual link destination, which I've copied and am now pasting into the link area. From there, I'm going to hit save. The platform will then automatically convert the original destination URL that you put into the link section and provide you with this version, the one that says sr.studiostack.com followed by a few numbers at the end. And it's actually this version that you need to highlight, copy, and then send over to anybody who is helping you with implementation at the article level or at any other environment, such as newsletters and native ads. Once that's done, you'll be able to get link clicks and metrics as well as click-through rate metrics on all of the hyperlinks that you create within each story. You can create an unlimited amount of Pressboard links so long as you remember to create them and implement them as I've described in this video. You will always get link click metrics within your stories and within your Pressboard links wherever they are used and regardless of what environment that they're in. The click-through rate metric %, however, is only available in custom reports. Check out our How to Create Custom Reports article to learn more. I hope you found this video helpful. Please reach out to our team via the chat function in the bottom right corner of the platform if you have any questions at all on this feature.